Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make soft bun or bread in a frying pan. It's very easy and very fast to make. This recipe is super easy and can make the bread from the frying pan. It's super soft and fluffy. You can make any filling and stuff in the bun with that. This is eggless recipe and the ingredients are simple. We start with the filling. Today we use a purple sweet potato paste filling for this recipe. Steam purple sweet potato for 20 minutes until it's soft. We're gonna mash steamed purple sweet potato when it's still hot. We're gonna use potato for 250 grams after steam, and then use 120 grams of coconut milk. Press the ingredients into the bowl and use blender or food processor and blend it until it gets smooth mixture. And after that, we put the mixture into the pan. Add 100 grams of sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt. Cook over low to medium heat. We're going to stir continually. And now you can see the potato is more dry, and continue until it get like a smooth paste. And now it's ready. Set aside to cool completely and put the press in container and freezer if you don't want to use now. The next is the bread. First, in the large bowl, we add the bread flour 120 grams and cake flour 40 grams. Or you can use all with the bread flour, is no problem. But I need to have a bit of soft with the cake flour. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of the salt, and gonna stir them together until it's mixed well. Continue to add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 40 grams of the water, and 80 grams of milk. For all ingredients, I will put in the description box below. And mix together until a soft dough is formed. And transfer the dough to the surface and knead it until it's smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes by hand. And if you use the mixture machine, you can take about 5 to 7 minutes with the machine. After 10 minutes, use the butter at room temperature for 6 grams and continue to knead it for about 5 minutes. And now you can see our dough is look like elastic and like a film like this, and that's it. And press the dough inside the large bowl and leave it to rest in the warm press for 1 hour or until it's double size. And now is the dough that is double size, and turn it out by put a little of the flour surface and divide the dough into the 6 equal pieces. And then we're gonna form into the round ball. And make the ball lie flat and put the filling inside the circle. For the filling, we use like 25 grams per pieces. And cover the dough completely close and make like the ball again. And after that, press it or hold it for about 10 minutes. Continue to do the same until it finishes. And we're gonna make the outer appearance is like a half of circle. We just make the flat circle like before and put the filling and close it half and make it stick for the edge. And that is for the half circle. And then cover it and leave it for about another 10 minutes. Place the pan on the low heat and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip it to the other side and cook for additional 10 minutes. It means each side we use 10 minutes. And now it's ready. Remove from the heat and let it cool and enjoy to eat it. The buns turn out so soft and fluffy. And it's very easy and ingredients are simple and also eggless recipe. I hope you guys give this time for this recipe. And thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.